And hello everyone, today on my table is a big bad ass Bosch angle grinder. It's a GWS, I think, 20-250, and it's just not working, so I will disassemble it and check what's wrong with it. Of course, getting loose for the wheel guard because it's really big. The flanges. Okay, now I will open the carbon brush holder. Okay, we can see that we have a lot of brushes here left, so I will just disconnect them. The second brush. Got it out. I will remove the brush holder units. You can see it's only a piece of plastic and the metal. And I can see that the electric contact from the field has dropped out. That can be a reason that will not working. The second one holding perfectly, so I will open the handle. Take out the screws. Okay, we can see a lot of this here, and we have the switch here. I will disconnect the wires that goes to the field, and okay, we have the plug and the switch. I will take my multimeter. It beeps when everything is good. Okay, so starting the test. That's good. So it seems the cord is good. Now we need to press the switch and test if we have continuity. Okay, everything is good, so the cord and the switch are good. And if we know that the cord and the switch is good, the carbon brushes is good too. So we can suspect that the that wire here from the field is a problem. Of course, I will continue to open the tool. Lifting the ball bearing housing, you can see that the grease looks good here, but a lot of grease here. Okay, now we need to go to the motor housing. Taking out the armature. And of course we can inspect the armature. Now it looks good, no damages, a lot of dust here. And main thing we are searching here is our field. And okay, I will disconnect this one. I need a field here. Okay, and we can see what we have here. We have the field, we have our contact, the wire. This one was burned out, and it's okay. This one looks like made in the factory. This one, yeah, and this one must be like this. So this one must be here. Of course, we can try to unbend it and connect it again, but before that we need to check the field itself. You can just do that on continuity mode. Looks good, and yep, looks good. So we need to fix the wires here. And okay, I made some clean for the house and other parts, and fixed the wires, pressed the wire on the new plug, and used the Reicham shrinkable tube with glues. Made a couple of them here, and now I will try to install back the field. Okay, we will check how it was, and yep, I think this one was here. This was like that, and this one was something like that, and here was the cables here for the switch, maybe. Okay. Okay, I will just catch the wires here. And my shrinkable tube not going here. Okay, got it here. This one I will try to put from one hole to another. Okay, now I need to check how the field goes inside. It's almost inside here. Now I have the wire of the washer holder unit. And okay, the field is in place, and where's my wire? It's a longer wire, just going here. Then this wire, I think goes here. Okay, I will just check if I can. Okay, now it seems not bad. So I can try to put a dust cover. Yeah, now it's time for the switch. It seems okay. Where's the handle? Yeah, it will be like that. Okay, now about the switch, I will just throw out this part and I will put the connections on the switch. Okay, and we'll spin it a couple of times. Bend it like that, and I need to fit it into the housing. Okay. Okay, made it from the opposite side. And it was 2 long screws, if I could remember. Okay, maybe not like that, I need to turn it around. Okay, if it's done, yep, done. I think the sticker was down when you are grinding. Okay, now it looks good. Okay, 2 more screws here. Okay, now we'll go our dust cover. We will check how it looks the same on both sides, I think. Maybe better in this one, yep. Okay. So we have it inside, checking if the armature can spin easily. It spins very easy. So I will cover it. inserting all 4 screws. Okay, now it's time for our brushes. Okay, got one brush. Okay, it will be good, I think. It's a little bit shorter than usual. Okay, now just make sure that wire is not touching armature. The armature is spinning easily, so we can try to turn it on. Oops, not hold it. So it's going strong like a beast. Okay, just closing the cores. Okay, and turning it on again. So that was all. It was needed a cleaning and electric part repair for the field wires.